And then whichever one is doing the best, it will then buy call options that are at the money or in the money with expirations between a configurable minimum and maximum days. So between a 2 to 4 week expiration date on these options. Okay, position sizing uses a fixed percent, right? And basically a fixed percent, I believe we set it to between 5 to 10% of the account. So we're not YOLOing our account. We are trading about 5 to 10% at a time, but still very, very volatile. We get some pretty crazy moves on it. And then exits the positions if we hit the profit target or stop loss, which I believe we set to our take profit is 100%, our stop loss is 50%. And then, and then we allocate 7% of the portfolio approximately every time we trade. Okay, this was the back test. If you guys remember, really nice back test. We got a 289% per year annual return. I'd say that's a pretty nice result for a back test. Of course, always take back tests with a grain of salt. In this case, we picked the symbols that did the best over the past few years. So of course, we're going to have a good result. That does not mean that it won't do well in the future. It may not. Back tests are fantastic things to help you figure things out, but they're obviously not always perfect, right? So we want to take that with a grain of salt. But 289% a year, I'm on board. That's something that was good enough for me, and we put some money into this. So let's talk about what happened to the actual account, right? We can actually see it in bot spot. As I mentioned before, I'm going to go into my deployments. We're going to view the strategy. We're going to view the live performance. And this is basically what happened. So we have an account that started off at $5,104. This is real money. Let me actually log into this as well, so you guys can see my real account and what has been happening. So I'm going to find here my list of brokers that we connect to, and this is the one that we connected to. So we're connected to Tradier, the broker, and I'm a big fan of Tradier because they work really well with APIs and they allow me to trade my IRA account. So this is an IRA account that I'm trading, which is fantastic because we don't have to worry about tax implications. Okay, so we see here we have 2 positions in CCJ. We have 3 options at what is the strike price? This is 83 strike price. And then we have 1 option at 82 strike price. Okay, so this is what we currently own in the account. We could see that we hit $5,500, which is up from what we started last week. So I made, what is it, from 5,100 to 5,546. So we're up about $450, guys. That's pretty nice. I'll take it, especially on a down week. The whole market has not exactly been very friendly this past week. Let's take a look at how the whole stock market as a whole did. If we look at SPY, 5 days, I'll take it. Look, the whole stock market's been down. It's down by 0.5%, and we actually are up by 8%. So I'd say that's a pretty nice outcome. I'll take it. I'm happy with the results personally. Okay, great. So that's what happened last week. This is what we are currently running. So the question is, do we want to keep running this? My gut kind of tells me yes, this seems like a pretty good strategy.
Okay, like what you saw? See the strategies we've created in the marketplace or create your own with our powerful trading AI at www.botspot.trade.